If you love some lollipop lamb chops, then you'll definitely love these lamb shoulders. And guess what? They're more meatier and tender and delicious. And we're going to go ahead and grill them today with some of our favorite seasonings. But first, we got to get them cleaned up. We're going to go ahead and put a little bit of that apple cider vinegar and scrub them down. Give them a good massage. Y'all know we love our massages, okay? After they done had a good cool bath, we're gonna go ahead and lather them in some of our prime rib beef seasoning. Y'all, when I tell you this seasoning is the truth, it's the truth. And we just opened that bottle. It's a brand new bottle. And it was so delicious. Along with some Kinders. Now you can't go wrong with the Kinders. They have all different flavors. But today we're gonna go in with the caramelized onion. A little bit of kosher, so that's gonna help bring the flavors out. So now we're going to go ahead and get the lamb shoulder seasoned nice and good on both sides. You can marinate these overnight. That'll give it an extra good flavor. Or if you have a couple hours where you can do it before grilling, go right ahead. And then add a little bit of oil. I should have added it while we were marinating it with the seasonings, but it's okay. That oil is going to also add a little bit of moisture to them. So when we grill them, it's going to keep them nice and moist. So go ahead and put your marinated lamb in the refrigerator or go ahead and cook it, but make sure your charcoal is nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and lay them on the grill. That's husband on the grill right now. Y'all know he loves to grill anything and everything. And once we get them cooked on both sides, a nice char, get them lines on there, it's going to be time to eat. Now, if you need a good sauce to eat with these lamb shoulders, we have a tzatziki sauce on our channel already. Don't go anywhere. And if you haven't subscribed or followed our channel, what you waiting on?